How to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So the first thing that we'll need to do is set up both apps. So click on Sweatcoin here. If you see that you have generated some Sweatcoin in your balance, then it means that Sweatcoin is working properly. And then for the Sweat Wallet, open the Sweat Wallet up, and then here it should automatically detect your account and ask you to link it. Once it has been linked, then it means that Sweat Wallet is also correctly set up. Now, how can we transfer our Sweatcoin here to Sweat Wallet? So if we click on balance, then here you will be able to see your amount of Sweatcoin that you have generated, and I'm just going to click on Sweat here, and this is going to load up Sweatcoin or the Sweat Wallet automatically. Now if it loads the Sweat Wallet automatically, then that means that our balance has been transferred. And how can we make sure that our balance has been transferred? So if we click on transfer here, then it's going to show you how much you have in dollars. So for example, near protocol here, I have 9 cents. So that is how much my Sweatcoin is worth. So I have 108 Sweatcoin, and that means that I have earned 9 cents. And if I click on portfolio here, you can see your total balance. So if you're able to see your total balance here, 8 cents, 9 cents, then that means that your Sweat coin have successfully been transferred into your Sweat Wallet. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.